Alright, so first off, I read the directions wrong on the capstone, and we just got to upload a Python for the demo video on how I started on the Python. So this is what I got so far. First, so here files, and make sure this maps for this. And I said, what is your name? Welcome plus name. You know, what expression you want to go in. Also, I said IT specialist. That's what my granddad did. And we have a little birth year function right here that calculates your age based off the year. So let's run it. Let's say here's your name. So here's says welcome plus my name. So I'm gonna let it know. I'm gonna say IT specialist. That's the name right here. And I'm gonna enter my birth year. So my birth year is 2002. That's here. And we calculate the age. I'm 19 because my birthday comes later on in the year. But say it's based off this year, so if your birthday was today, and it would calculate it right, and you would be 20. So let's see what else we got. We're gonna try to create a for loop or a decision function. So oftentimes he's in retirement right now, so by the time you get to the retirement stage, you have to look for different people that take your job. You know, you're obviously looking at college, so let's just say colleges equals a look at this. Nursery. I'll say nursery. Text. Here we'll go in. There. And if we print colleges, we should pull up this list right here. Here it is. It shows the list of colleges, and we'll add a little bit here. We'll say, yeah. What profession do you want to go in? The birth year, 2002, the duration, so alright. And this, erase this. Actually print. Let's do for X. Apologies. And then we put sorry, if your intention, because I know you're going to do a for loop function. You're going to do it for X print X. So let's see what we got here. So basically, I said I want to attend Georgia College. So this foregone conclusion or foregone conclusion is I will only print anything after Georgia Tech. Like I said, I want to Georgia College. So say my granddad works at the base. He only wants to set people from Georgia College because Georgia College used to have a little partnership with the base where if you worked at the base, they would pay for your tuition. And I don't know if that's anymore, but they used to have that relationship. So this function right here is basically not going to print the list. All this is just going to print anything after Georgia Tech, which is Georgia College. And that's why we have it here. And when I say print X, it's going to print Georgia College. Obviously, I want to print Georgia College. I'm here, obviously. So that's pretty much all I got for you. Say if decision, and I will get an input. We can put um, press that. Now what cards would you like to attend? See, this list is only going to put out the colleges of Georgia College. So it's basically it. It's for the conclusion. I'm going to put up Georgia College. We can try and go see. Got a gift function. This one Python. Structures. Definition structures. So back here, we'll try to incorporate these in here. And then, let's see. This is right here. We'll say yes. Yeah. Say yeah. College. Where's the Disney? Um, Where's the judgment? Equal sign. College equal. like this. We'll say print. Options going to get force is a function. Let's see it gets for a right here, and get for a if function, and it will indent for a for loop. So these are basically decisions made by the program. So if college, first college, you see we'll just follow it just like this. We'll say print print is colleges. Yes, we'll say here backslash T. You'll say also, you're not accepted as an IT specialist because I said nursing. Alright, so this basically says you have to be in Georgia College to be accepted. Being Mercer, IT, and you are not going to be accepted because you went to Mercer. That's basically it. This for loop function is going to read only people after Georgia Tech, so it's going to loop for is going to loop Mercer and Georgia Tech and only this Georgia College. So that's basically it. That's all I got for you.